Mackerel official expire out of my life. No more stressing over you. It's candy wow I want now. Candy wow. See people business and leave it alone. Hallelujah. Good morning, church. Good morning, church. Me your phone right now and there. Oh my gosh, I have some mix up. Church, can I get a wow? Can I get a damn wow? Guys, I'm in a good mood today, guys. I'm in a damn good mood today. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing fine. I hope you are doing great. Because I'm doing great. I found my new bae, my new crush. No more mackerel to stress me out. No more mackerel to stress me out. No more crying. No more begging. Imagine, I have my ring. I'll propose. Voila. It's like I'm not understanding of people. Do what I feel right now? When you can't say I have my nice, clean, my trash out today and I'm ready for it today and I'm trash out. You see me? Now, just like how my colleague go viral, I'm gonna find her, I'm a lover, I'm gonna find the next girl. I'm gonna feel that this girl right here, so I go want me too. You understand? Because I know how she think, I know what she want, me how what she want. Candy wow. Oh my gosh, baby girl, you make me say what? Candy wow. Guys, if you don't know who Candy Wow is, she's my new babe. She is my new babe. This is her right here on the screen. Right? Look at her. Look at that. Look at that. Candy. Next thing too. Mackerel expire right now. Mackerel official expire out of my life. No more stressing over you. It's Candy Wow I want now. Candy Wow. Tyrekevlogs want you. You never hear about me. Girl, I mean business. You see me I say I put in my application right now. Me there. I have an iPhone X thing large. Me there. Anyways, Candy Wow. Okay. My show, if you don't know, listen to this. 3.
Watch this here Friday. Can I get a wow?
Wow!
Can I get a wow?
Wow!
One more.
Wow!
One more.
Wow!
One more.
Wow!
Call him
I don't want that. Look how she shape good people. She can shape that little something there. She have the robot while she have the whole of them. Watch this. Done. Yo, Candy Wow. These are my final words, Candy Wow. Me want you. Me see you, me like you. You see me? Me got money, you want money. Me got money, you want money. But then I feel the thing large. You see me? Hit me up, Tyrekevlogs. You see me? I say, join the TJ for Instagram. Oh yeah, you're the pan. Where you the pan? I know how I'll go on. Later.